What if you had to kill to live? This is the Silky Big Boy 2000, and it's got the extra large teeth on this one. And good saw. I've had it for about a month now. These things are still razor sharp. They feel like a needle. They just grab your fingers if you run them across here. Probably cut 5, 6 little trees up into rounds with it. Real good saw to have, very lightweight. Has 2 little spots on the blade here. It locks in real nice and snug. And then right here, also a little bit wider.
Nice. But, let's see the name on there.
Okay.
There you go. Silky Big Boy 2006.5.